Welcome to Live365 Support, where we help you with your broadcast journey. Today we talk about how to use LiveDJ. With Live365, our platform has many ways on how to use it, but one way is LiveDJ mode. LiveDJ mode allows you, the broadcaster, to connect directly to your station and broadcast live. To use LiveDJ mode, there are several ways to go about this, but every way requires an application called an encoder. What are encoders? Well, they are tools broadcasters use to connect to your station. All you have to do is provide the right encoder settings. Now, encoders go by many names like Rocket Broadcaster or Broadcast using this tool, but today for this example, I'm going to help you connect to LiveDJ mode with Mixxx. Mixxx is a free downloadable program that's very versatile and easy to use. To get things started, we are going to go to the Mixxx website, go to Downloads, and then download the correct application for your computer. Once Mixxx is downloaded, set it up, and then open it up to show this page. This is Mixxx. Now, it might seem a little intimidating, but don't worry, we're going to have it set up very soon. On the top left-hand side, may you please select Options, and then Preferences. After choosing that, it will open up a brand new window that will bring you to Sound Hardware. We are going to select Live Broadcasting. After selecting that, you will see there's some things that are empty. Don't worry, these are where you're going to put your encoder settings. Where can you find them? Well, they're on your Live365 dashboard. So if you have your dashboard already open and ready, go to the left-hand side, select Streaming, and then LiveDJ. Here, you'll be able to find your LiveDJ credentials. Don't worry, we also provide you a little copy-paste button next to each one, so this will make it very easy. So why don't we do it together and set up your Mixxx? The first thing we're going to copy is the host name, ingest.live365.com. Once we copy it, we're going to go back to Mixxx and then paste it where it says host. After that, we're going to then select the port, 8000. Back to Mixxx, and there we'll be putting the 8000 next to port. So far, so good. Next is the mount. Each station has their very own mount, so this is very important. Hit the copy button, hop back to Mixxx, and then paste mount right next to mount. Almost done. Now let's copy the username, which is source. Hop back over to Mixxx, and then drop it right next to where it says login. And finally is the password. Copy the password on your Live365 dashboard and then paste it on Mixxx under password. Once you're done, these should all be filled out, and also double check to make sure that the type says IceCast2. If everything seems to be matching fairly well, I want you to hit the apply button on the bottom right hand side and then select OK. If you place the information correctly, your Mixxx will now be able to connect to your station. All you have to do is hit this button on the top right hand side that says on air. Once you click this, it will go green, and once you have that confirmation, your station is now live and connected with Mixxx. So I recommend start uploading some music into Mixxx before you hit that button. For a quick demonstration on how Mixxx will look like once it connects to your station, I'm going to put this song, Harry Styles As It Was, ready and queued up. Alright, I'm going to hit on air, and it's gone green. So now I know it's connected properly. I'm going to play the song and hop over to my Live365 dashboard. There I can see that the auto DJ has now changed to live. And on my metadata down below, I see that it's playing the Harry Styles song. Hey, that's pretty cool. Now I can connect live with Mixxx. Now, like I've said before, there are tons of different other encoders, and we even have some recommendations in our help articles that you can check at any time, so you can find the encoder right for you. But for now, you can connect to LiveDJ mode on the Live365 platform. Thank you for watching, and happy broadcasting.